Okay, so now I have it set up. I've just got a cord running down there. You can't really see the bomb, but it's obviously where the end of the watt string ends. So I've got it hooked up. I've got the battery connected to it, and so I'm gonna pull on the string right here that I have in my hand, which is going underneath the porch there. And hopefully I'll pull the cardboard out and the contacts will close, complete the circuit, and blow the bomb up. So here we go. Let's see how it works. And there we go. There's your black powder snuff bomb, homemade from parts you find laying around your household. Let's go down there and look at it. These ports are slippery as hell. You can smell that black powder. There's a pouring. And here is the can. It's still smoking there. That's where all that good black powder was. See down there, it's still smoking. It didn't really blow up like I was wanting to. I tried to epoxy the lid on, but I guess it didn't work very well. Try to find the other piece of the can. Oh well, I found that later. But basically it just blew the top off, but you could definitely reinforce this can to make it stronger so the pressure will build up more before it actually cracks open and explodes. But I mean, that's a pretty good amount of black powder. That's just super fine black rifle powder. It's a snuff can, so it's about 32 ounces. I mean, 32 grams, about 1.2 ounces of black powder, and it set off a pretty good explosion. So I mean, if you really wanted to make it better, I guess, like I said, you know, you just reinforce the can to make it stronger, so the pressure will build up more and explode better. But so there you go. There you have it. Black powder snuff bomb made out of a snuff can, a Christmas tree light, clothespin with aluminum foil wrapped around the ends, and a cardboard contact breaker for the pull switch, and a 9-volt battery with a 9-volt battery connector. There you go. See y'all later.